Tired of hunting for the list view in Jira? I get it. You want that clean, spreadsheet-like layout to see all your issues at a glance, but the default board view is all you can find. I will show you exactly how to enable it in under a minute. No fluff, just the steps. So here's the plan. We will open your project, find the view switcher, add the list view, and then pin it to your navigation bar so you never have to dig for it again. All right, let us jump in. Start by logging into your Jira account. You will land on your main dashboard, and from there, we want to head into your project. Using the left side panel, go ahead and select your project. I am clicking into one right now. This is where you will see all your issues and tasks for that specific team or initiative. Now, look at the top of the project page. You are going to see a row of tabs. These are your different views, things like the board, backlog, and roadmap. This is the view switcher, and it is the key to everything we are about to do. To add a new view, click the plus sign icon at the end of that row. It is small but easy to spot. A drop-down menu will appear with a few options. From that drop-down, choose List. That is it. This tells Jira that instead of a Kanban board or a timeline, you want your issues displayed in a simple linear list. Now, here is the really important part. Once you click List, you will see your new view pop up. But if you do not save it to your navigation, it will disappear the next time you leave the page. So look for the option that says Add to Navigation. Click that button. And just like that, you will see a new tab appear in your navigation bar called List. Now you can click it anytime to see all your issues in a clean, easy-to-read format. One last bonus tip for you. You can customize the columns that appear in this list view. Just click the column header options and add or remove fields like status, priority, or assignee. This way, the view shows exactly what you need to see. And that is it. You have now unlocked the list view in Jira and added it permanently to your project navigation. I have set this up in countless projects, and it makes a huge difference for daily tracking. Give it a try and enjoy the simpler view.